Beavers are fascinating creatures known for their industrious nature and remarkable engineering skills. These large, semi-aquatic rodents are native to North America and Eurasia and belong to the family Castoridae. If you enjoy this video about beavers, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about beavers. There are two extant species, the North American beaver and the Eurasian beaver. Both species share similar behaviors and characteristics, making them unique among rodents. Beavers are well known for their ability to build dams, lodges, and canals. These constructions are not just random structures, but are essential for their survival. By building dams across streams and rivers, beavers create ponds that provide them with a safe habitat, abundant food supply, and protection from predators. These ponds also create wetland habitats that benefit a wide range of other wildlife, making beavers a keystone species in their ecosystems. The physical characteristics of beavers are well-suited to their aquatic lifestyle. They have a robust body covered with dense, waterproof fur that keeps them warm and dry while swimming. Their webbed hind feet act like paddles, allowing them to swim efficiently, while their flat, scaly tails serve multiple purposes, as a rudder for steering in the water, a support when sitting upright, and a warning signal when slapped against the water to alert others of danger. Beavers have strong, chisel-like incisors that grow continuously throughout their lives. These teeth are essential tools for gnawing through wood, which they use for building their dams and lodges, as well as for accessing the inner bark of trees, their primary food source. Beavers primarily feed on the bark, leaves, and twigs of deciduous trees such as aspen, willow, and birch, but they also consume aquatic plants, shrubs, and grasses. A beaver's dam building activity begins with felling trees using their powerful teeth. They then drag the branches and logs to the construction site, where they interweave them with mud and stones to create a solid barrier across a stream or river. The resulting dam slows down the flow of water, creating a pond that provides the beavers with a stable environment for building their lodges. These lodges are dome-shaped structures made of branches and mud, with underwater entrances to prevent predators from entering. Inside, the lodge is divided into two chambers, one for drying off after entering from the water and another, drier chamber for living and raising their young. The construction of dams and lodges is a cooperative effort among beavers. They live in family groups called colonies, typically consisting of a monogamous pair and their offspring from the previous 2 years. The parents teach their young the skills needed for building and maintaining the structures, as well as foraging for food and avoiding predators. Beavers are known for their strong family bonds and cooperative behavior, which are crucial for the survival and success of the colony. The environmental impact of beaver activity is significant. By creating ponds and wetlands, beavers contribute to biodiversity, water purification, and flood control. Wetlands provide habitat for a variety of species, including birds, fish, amphibians, and insects. The slow-moving water in beaver ponds allows sediments to settle, improving water quality downstream. Additionally, the presence of beaver dams can help mitigate flooding by slowing the flow of water during heavy rains and reducing the peak flow in streams and rivers. Despite their positive ecological contributions, beavers can sometimes come into conflict with humans. Their dam-building activities can flood roads, agricultural fields, and properties, causing economic damage. In such cases, wildlife managers often employ non-lethal methods to manage beaver populations and mitigate conflicts. These methods include installing flow devices to regulate water levels, reinforcing vulnerable areas with fencing, and relocating beaver families to more suitable habitats. Historically, beavers have had a profound impact on human economies and cultures. During the fur trade era, beaver pelts were highly valued for their dense, waterproof fur, which was used to make hats and clothing. The demand for beaver pelts led to extensive trapping and hunting, resulting in a significant decline in beaver populations across North America and Europe. Conservation efforts in the 20th century, including legal protections, reintroduction programs, and habitat restoration, have helped many beaver populations recover, although they remain absent from some parts of their historical range. In addition to their ecological and economic significance, beavers hold cultural importance in many indigenous traditions. In North America, numerous Native American tribes regard the beaver as a symbol of industry, persistence, and resourcefulness. Beavers feature prominently in folklore and mythology, often depicted as wise and industrious creatures that shape the landscape and teach humans valuable lessons about cooperation and hard work. Beavers also have unique physiological adaptations that support their lifestyle. Their kidneys are highly efficient at conserving water, allowing them to thrive in environments where water is scarce or fluctuates seasonally. Their eyes, nose, and ears are positioned high on their head, enabling them to see, breathe, and hear while mostly submerged. Additionally, they have a special membrane called a nictitating membrane that covers their eyes while underwater, providing protection and improving visibility. One of the most remarkable aspects of beaver behavior is their ability to alter their environment to suit their needs. This trait is not only fascinating from a biological perspective, but also has significant ecological implications. By creating wetlands, beavers increase the availability of water in the landscape, which can be particularly valuable in arid regions or during periods of drought. Their engineering activities can also promote the growth of diverse plant communities, which in turn support a wide array of wildlife. Beavers are also known to communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, scent markings, and body language. They use scent mounds made of mud and plant material, mixed with their castoreum, a secretion from their scent glands, to mark their territory and convey information about their identity and reproductive status. These scent marks play a crucial role in maintaining social structure and territory boundaries within and between colonies. In recent years, beavers have gained attention for their potential role in mitigating the impacts of climate change. By creating and maintaining wetlands, beavers can help sequester carbon, store water, and reduce the risk of wildfires. Wetlands act as carbon sinks, capturing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which can help offset greenhouse gas emissions. The water retained in beaver ponds can also be crucial during dry periods, providing a buffer against drought and reducing the likelihood of wildfires by maintaining moist conditions in the surrounding vegetation. The study of beavers and their ecological impact continues to be an important field of research. Scientists are investigating the long-term effects of beaver activity on ecosystems, including changes in hydrology, soil composition, and plant and animal communities. Understanding these dynamics can inform conservation and management practices, ensuring that beaver populations are supported in ways that maximize their positive contributions to biodiversity and ecosystem health. In summary, beavers are extraordinary animals with a unique set of behaviors and adaptations that make them key players in their ecosystems. Their ability to modify their environment through dam and lodge construction creates wetlands that support a diverse range of species and provide numerous ecological benefits. Despite past declines due to overhunting, beaver populations have rebounded thanks to conservation efforts, and their role in promoting biodiversity and ecosystem resilience is increasingly recognized. Beavers' impact on the environment, their rich cultural significance, and their potential to help mitigate climate change make them a subject of enduring interest and importance. Whether observed in the wild or studied in the lab, beavers continue to captivate and inspire with their industrious nature and remarkable ecological influence. If you enjoyed this video about beavers, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.